So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new Air Jordan 1 Mid Light Smoke Gray. I had to look at my phone because I would not remember the entire name of the shoe. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Oh my god, this box looks so little! I mean, I know I have little feet, but this just looks so tiny. Look how cute and little it looks! Oh my god! So I have not gotten a pair of Jordans since I was like 16 or 17 years old. Like, it's been a minute. So, ooh, Goat comes with a little, what is this? Authentication, structure, color, material, stitching, sole, label and tag, and then quality control, SKU and size, right and left, shoe condition, box condition, and accessories. Okay, so I guess it's like checking off that like everything is good. I've never ordered from Goat or like StockX or anything, so I don't know how this works. And this is the little card that it came with. It basically just like punches everything off just to make sure like everything in the shoe is okay. Ooh, yeah, these are so clean and nice. Okay, let me try them on. It's gonna be hard to show me trying them on. Alright, I had to stop recording for a second because these shits were so hard to put on. I don't know if my foot got fat during quarantine, but these shits were tight AF. Alright, so a little bit about sizing. I got a size 5. I was not sure if I should get a 4.5 or a 5. Now, after putting them on, I'm glad I got a 5 because a 4.5 probably would have been way too tight. So besides it being tight here, which is probably just the lacing, I probably just have to like relace it later on before I wear them out. It feels good. What is this? Length? The length? I don't know. I don't do secret reviews. I don't know the terms. Don't judge me. But this way it fits good. And also just for reference for like women's sizing and women's shoes, I wear like either a 6 or a 6.5. Typically more towards like 6.5 when it comes to like heels, open toe shoes, boots, booties, stuff like that. I wear either a 4.5 or 5 in all the other sneakers I get. I've never gotten the Air Jordan 1, so I was just kind of unsure, but everything else I have a 4.5 or 5. All my Yeezys are a 5. I have a pair of Ultra Boost in 4.5 in kids. It just, again, it always just depends on the brand. So yeah, overall I would say the shoe is pretty true to size. I'm not even gonna lie, the main reason why I wanted to get this sneaker is because I saw it all over Instagram. I saw a lot of bloggers wearing it, styling it really cute. So the original price of this shoe is $90, which is actually kind of crazy because I got them on Goat for $155. I kept going back and forth between StockX and Goat just to see which one had a better price, and it was pretty much the same. They pretty much were going between $150, $155, $160. So before getting these, I had never ordered any sneakers on Goat or StockX, so I didn't know which was better, which had better pricing, which had better shipping. I really had no idea. I can't speak on StockX because I've never ordered from them, but I will say that I really did like the order process from Goat. So it shows you like literally every step of your order process. So it has order, seller confirmed, seller packaging, shipping to Goat, delivered to Goat, verified, and then once it's verified is when they ship it out to you. So it shows shipping to you via UPS, delivered, and then actually I have to go on here and click confirm and just confirm that everything is okay with this shoe, and then everything will be completed with the order. So now I'm going to show you a few different outfit ideas and basically how I would style the shoe. So first outfit is basically what I have on right now. So this is my white naked wardrobe bodysuit that I mentioned in my last video, my quarantine haul video, and I also have it with my naked wardrobe leggings. I love this, just like a plain black and white outfit, but it's still really cute, really comfortable. The round neckline and like the leggings, because they're so like fitted and snatched, it makes it look like really nice and feminine.
I want
video. If you guys enjoyed these type of styling videos and unboxing videos, then just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see more of, and I will see you guys in the next video.